Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix smart lock not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart device. Just click on hot side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Google from here. Click on Google and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache Google app. After clear cache Google app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app and click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.